So good morning students. Today we are starting with the plant diseases. There are mainly 3 plant diseases included in your syllabus. From that first we are going to study that is citrus canker. This is the image of citrus canker, how the citrus canker is caused to a specific citrus fruit. Okay. Now towards the introduction of the disease, it is a bacterial disease of citrus plant which attacks the seedling as well as the mature plant, and it will cause the defoliation and death. Defoliation means loss of leaves. Okay. Disease is endemic throughout India, Pakistan and island of Indian Ocean, South Asia, China and Japan. This aesthetic form of canker, that is also known as cankerosis or true canker, is caused by the organism Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV citri. This is a causative agent. In 1933, Fawcett and Jenkins reported lesions of citrus canker on Citrus medica collected from Dehradun, India. First time they have seen the canker on Citrus medica. This is also a type of a citrus fruit, lemon, which was isolated for Dehradun, India. Now towards the causative agent of the disease. The causative agent of disease is Xanthomonas oxynopodis, and synonymous other names for this is Pseudomonas citri, Xanthomonas campestri PV citri and Xanthomonas citri. Okay, there are 3 pathovarieties of Xanthomonas oxynopodis which are as follows: Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV citri, Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV oreontifoli and Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV citrumelo. These are 3 pathovarieties, and these last two pathovarieties, that is oreontifoli and oxynopodis, cause 3 different types of citrus canker, and these 3 different types of citrus canker you are going to study by yourself. The chart is given in your book. Okay. Differentiation of these forms is mainly based on the geographical distribution and host range of pathogen. Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV citrumelo causes diseases most commonly referred to Florida, USA nurseries. Now towards the morphology of the organism. Bacterium is rod shaped with a size of 1.5 to 2.0 into 5.0 to 0.5 to 0.75 millimeter, which is gram negative under microscope when it is stained, and has a single polar flagellum needed for motility, is aerobic, grows at optimum temperature, is 28 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, that is our room temperature, does not produce spores, and the colonies on culture media are usually yellow as a result of xanthomonadin pigment production. The colonies, when grown on a specific media, Xanthomonas oxynopodis, appears yellow in color, and the yellow color of that specific colony is due to production of xanthomonadin pigment. In sugar, glucose containing medium, colonies become very mucoid due to the production of extracellular polysaccharide slime. शुगर कंटेनिंग मीडियम मध्ये कॉलनीज कशा ग्रो होतात? म्युकॉइड कॉलनीज ग्रो होतात ड्यू टू प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एक्स्ट्रासेल्युलर स्लाइम. Okay, it can hydrolyze starch, means amylase positive. It can hydrolyze casein, means casinase positive. It can hydrolyze gelatin, means gelatinase positive test. It produces tyrosinase as well as catalase, means catalase positive again. The bacterium shows a negative for nitrate reduction, indole production and methyl rate, and it reduces hydrogen sulfide, means H2S test is also shows positive. Now towards the symptoms which are seen onto the specific fruit and leaves when the Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV citri attacks to the specific citrus fruit. First one, it causes premature leaf and fruit drop. Okay, premature fruit and leaf का होता drop होता. Infected canker or cankerous fruit shows characteristics lesions on leaves, stems and fruit. Newly infected leaves are especially in the first stage it shows white or yellow color moist spongy spots, and later on then it becomes darker tan in color with brown crocky appearance. You can see here in the initial stage or newly infected it is yellowish color, and afterwards it has become the tan or brown color with a crocky appearance. Spots have oily margins or yellowish rings. Canker has been seen onto both sides of leaves. On fruit, the canker appear like scab-like or crocky but without the yellowish hole. Lesions of fruit do not actually enter the flesh of the fruit, but the crater's appearance makes the fruit unmarketable. Onto the leaves, the lesions occur onto the both sides, but onto the fruit, the lesions, the scabs occur only on the outer surface of the fruit. It does not enter the flesh of the fruit, and hence they are edible. But due to that outer appearance of scabs, the fruits become unmarketable. Now, host range of the specific disease. Host range includes citrus crops and many other related plants belonging to the family Rutaceae. Host range means what? To which family member of plant it causes the disease. Susceptible citrus varieties are grapefruit. It can cause a disease to the grapefruit, lemon, lime, trifoliate, orange. Okay, these are the 4 types of citrus varieties which are harmed by Xanthomonas oxynopodis PVC tree. Citrus varieties such as Balkano, mandarin, tangerine, calamodine, Cumit and citron are resistant to canker, and these varieties are resistant to canker. On this fruits the canker does not appear. Now towards the disease cycle. Twigs and leaves of diseased plant are the reservoir or infection. The twigs means the फांद्या ज्या काही आहेत त्या आणि leaves of the diseased plant are reservoir of the infection. Then the pathogen enters the plant through wounds or natural opening like stomata. Pathogen will enter the plant through the any cut whichever occurs to the plant or natural opening onto the leaves which is present on stomata. From that the organism will enter, and the organism after penetration and initial growth it will multiply into the cortex of the plant, okay, tissues. Cankerous outgrowth develop in which pathogen grows and release with exudate. Then up in cortex it will multiply, there it will develop and pathogen grow and it will release the exudates means liquid form. Pathogen will spread when it oozes from the scab during the wet weather. During wet weather what happens, whatever the scab, whatever the lesions are there, it will ooze out. From that the organisms will ooze out into the wet weather, and by water or by rain it will get dispersed. Strong wind and wind-borne rain is its primary mode of transmission, and already we have discussed the mode of transmission. By wind and by water also this pathogen get transmitted. Citrus and the insect which will transmit are citrus leaf for people, birds and animals. Farm equipments that carry the bacteria from one place to the another place will also spread the disease very quickly. Bacterium is well studied to spray in warm wet areas where citrus grows freely. Okay, this bacterium will be suited to spread very well under the warm conditions. Okay, and now the last point of the disease is prevention and control. How we are going to prevent and control the disease? Control measures include exclusion by quarantine. If one plant is infected with the organism, another plant should not be placed closely to one another, so that plant does not spread one disease from one plant to the another plant. That is another exclusion by quarantine. Already we all know this quarantine word. Now has been used various times. Quarantine means what you all know. Irradiation by destruction of infected trees. Irradiation means what? Either we are going to burn the infected tree or cut the infected part. If only one twig has been infected or some leaves has been infected, we are going to pluck that leaves and we are going to burn the leaves. That is known as irradiation by destruction. Then sanitary precautions we are going to take, and cultivation of resistant variety and wind breaks are also used to prevent wind driven spread. Okay, wind breaks means are also done to prevent the wind driven spreads. Okay, and the disease can be controlled by earlier spraying of neem cake, that is 7 kg per acres, or copper based bactericides, spraying of antibiotic such as streptomycin, sulfate, that is 500 to 1000 mg per liter, is also effective. Under the control measures, we can use the neem cake 7 kg per acre, or also we can use a copper based pesticide bactericides, or also we can spray the antibiotics such as streptomycin sulfate. Here we were ended with one of the disease, that is citrus canker. Thank you.